Digital Extremes recently announced their desire to rework shotguns, and I was giddy with anticipation to see how they were going to fuck it up. So when the update dropped into our collective lap like a still warm dookie, I went ahead and tested every single shotgun in the game. Surprisingly, the vast majority of the widely used shotguns, like Tigris Prime, Exergis, Comb, and Corinth, performed fairly well. Phage and Phantasma meanwhile were equally as shit as the original Boar, with no Forma. Still, this is better than I expected. Developers been lately dispensing good changes like your ass dispense AD farts in the presence of your high school crush, and it actually makes me paranoid, like all these good updates are a Hansel and Gretel-esque plot to fatten me up before I get fucking eaten.